Hello everybody, welcome to minor diatonic chord substitution. So I've written down the natural minor harmonized scale, and let's take a look. So the chords are 1 minor 7, 2 minor 7 flat 5, flat 3 major 7, 4 minor 7, 5 minor 7, or a 5 dominant 7. So either of these is fine, and in jazz or classical music the 5 dominant 7 would be more common. Flat 6, major 7, okay, and then the flat 7, dominant 7, and then a 7 diminished 7, okay. So in A, there would be A minor 7, B minor 7, flat 5, C major 7, D minor 7, E minor 7 or E dominant 7, F major 7, G7 or a G sharp diminished 7. So again, we have three chord families: tonic, subdominant, dominant. For tonic family, we have two members, A minor and C major 7. They are 1 minor 7 and flat 3 major 7. Subdominant family, we have 2 minor 7 flat 5, 4 minor 7, flat 6 major 7. So B minor 7 flat 5, D minor 7, F major 7. For dominant chord group, we have a lot of members. So we have 5 minor 7, or 5 7, or a 5 7 flat 9. So this guy here is really just a fancier version of this guy. Okay, so E minor, E dominant 7, or E7 flat 9. And you can also have flat 7 dominant 7 or a 7 diminished 7, so G7 or a G sharp diminished 7. Okay, so if we take a look at a very simple chord progression, let me write it down real quick. So it's just 1 minor 7, 4 minor 7, 5 minor 7, and then 1 minor 7 again. For a chord progression like that, and if you want to reharmonize it, first you have to determine the chord group. Okay, so one chord would be a tonic, 4 minor 7 would be a subdominant, 5 minor 7 a dominant, and then 1 minor 7 a tonic again. If you realize that, that would be A minor 7, D minor 7, 5 minor 7, that's E minor, and then 1 minor again. So right now we are trying to reharmonize this very simple chord progression, A, D, E, A. Okay, so 1, 4, 5, 1. Okay, so let's check it out. So tonic, we also have a C major 7 there, right, in the tonic group family. So you can reharmonize to C major 7 for the tonic chord group. Okay, for the tonic chord group chord, A minor. Subdominant, we have B minor 7 flat 5, D minor 7, F major 7. So let's go for a more jazzy sound. So B minor 7 flat 5, let's try that. Dominant, so we can go for E dominant 7. And for one chord, I think I'm just gonna stick with A minor 7. So here you have this 2-5-1 chord progression, which actually share the exact same chord family with the first chord progression. So this would become, this is actually 1, 2, 5, 1. Okay, if you analyze that with Roman numerals. Okay, you can also go for a more rock and roll sound. So I will play A minor here. Okay, for the 2 chord, I'm gonna try F major this time. So for the second chord, we should use a subdominant member. So F major 7. For the dominant group, this time, I'm going for a rock and roll sound, so I'm going to pick G7, or just G major triad, so I'm just going to put down G. And for tonic, I'm going to, again, stick with a minor 7. Okay? Yeah? So you see, it is a very simple example showing you some possibilities using diatonic chord substitution. Okay, so your job is to get really familiar with these 3 chord types, and we will do some exercises in the next video. Okay, so hopefully everything makes sense till now, and hopefully will continue to make sense. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Okay.